yung start and finish line area?
The event will be on UP, in front of Palma Hall. Yun yung start, and then, yes ma'am, yung start niya in front of Palma Hall, and then they will utilize yung area ng UP Acad, Oval, and then at the back of the Palma Hall. Ang finish line na rin po ay malapit na rin po sa may Palma Hall area.
Ilan pong categories? Please mention the categories.
Ma'am, we have 4 race categories starting from 1 kilometer intended for PWDs, 3 kilometer, 5 kilometer, and the longest one will be 10 kilometer.
Uy, may
Yes, ma'am, may 10 kilometer. But it's an open, ma'am, for regular runners.
Yes, Commissioner, who are expected to be there on this July 26? Yes.
26.
Okay.
Okay, nabanggit ni Coach Dior kanina, no, na yung parang 1 kilometer for person with disabilities. Actually, let's correct that a bit, no? In this conception, pag malayo, hindi pwede pang person with disability, no? Actually, pwede sumali yung person with disability who runs 10 kilometers, 15 kilometers, 20. And you'll be surprised, you'll see a lot of them actually who can finish that in a good time, no? Again, this fun run, walk, run, and roll is not just for the elite. Okay, it's not only for certain types of disabilities. No, nabanggit ni Ma'am Jen, no? Although she's a wheelchair user involving a physical impairment, no, nabanggit na kanina cancer survivor siya. Cancer survivor is a disability. So I'm inviting all the cancer survivors there, please register. And together with that, I'm inviting all yung hindi lang visual impairment, pati hearing impairment, no? Pwede sumali dyan. No? So these are the types of disabilities outside of the Paralympic movement. No?
Yes.
So again, this is not for the athlete, this is not para-athlete, this is for all types of disabilities, whether you're a recreational person with disability or a die-hard athlete. No? So, tapos kasama din dyan yung learning disabilities. No? So, we're not just talking about intellectual disability. Nandiyan na yung behavioral, emotional, developmental disability. No? Autism, Down syndrome, ADHD. So, you're all welcome to join this fun run called the PSC Walk, Run, and Roll together with Milo. This is for you because you also have a place in sports. You have a place in sports. You have a reason to be active. To go out there and join this fun run.
Free registration ba ito kung Wawit?
Meron,
Minimal.
may minimal for persons with disabilities and meron, but again, the registration is really to be used for organizing such a big event for you. So it's very minimal. For me, it will be worth it.
Yes. Meron din kayong mga sponsor, Milo. Paano naman nakasama yung Milo in this kind of running event?
Yeah, okay. Again, nabanggit ko kanina, no, Milo, I'm very happy that Milo had the same advocacy with the PSC, yung sports for all, inclusive sports, no, and they believe that hindi, kumbaga, pilit, no? Everybody should be active, so including this sector. And of course, nandiyan yung women in sports, senior citizens, no? And I'm happy that eventually Milo has been including this in their advocacy, no, in person with disability, no, including them in their marathons, and I believe also soon in their summer trainings as well. No? So, because again, the person with disability sector can play or participate alongside with the non-disabled sector. And that's very important. No? And this is what we're trying to promote, no? That we can actually participate alongside with the non-disabled. And I had my first-hand experience in UP Diliman when I ran alongside with Jem, with the basketball team. And nakakatuwa eh. Hindi yung pity eh. But inspiration eh. Hindi nangyari doon eh. So yes, maybe you can also ask Jeff now, how did you feel running alongside with us? No?
Yes.
Rolling around with us.
Yun po, masaya po yung experience kasi yung mga ibang persons with disability na bata yung PWD, syempre po may companion. So, pag nakikita ka nila, para bang nai-inspire din sila na, o yung anak ko pwede rin pala maging atleta, o yung anak ko pwede rin pala maging ganito. So, nakakatuwa rin para sa aming mga atleta na nakaka-inspire kami, nakakatulong kami na makabuild ng confidence sa mga bata.
Okay, good morning po, and good